Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.1 question number 2. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Number 1 is number 1, that is 2 plus x square plus x. You to find the coefficient of x square. Right? That means it is 1 into x square. Therefore the coefficient of x square, the coefficient the coefficient the coefficients the coefficients the coefficients of x square is 1 because 1 is multiplied with x square. Number 2 is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here you see the coefficient of x square is multiplied with minus 1. Therefore the coefficient of x square is minus 1. Therefore the coefficients of x square is minus 1. Question number 3 is given as pi by 2 x square plus x. You see that pi by 2 is multiplied with x square. Therefore the coefficient of x square, therefore the coefficients of x square is pi by 2. Question number 4 is root 2 x minus 1. It can be written as 0 into x square plus root 2 x minus 1. Here you see a square is multiplied with the number 0. Therefore you can say the coefficient of x square is 0. You can see the coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x square is 0. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.